Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry the sun is directly in my eyes, but for this intro I just want to do a quick update. The van did sell literally that same night that I actually filmed that YouTube video, my last video, but we got exciting news today. Introduced the new project car, and yeah, so it's something I've been wanting for a while. I'm excited. I'm excited to start this project. I got it really good deal. Super cheap. Well, I mean, it has its issues, so not extremely cheap, but I got it cheap enough to where it makes those issues not that big of a deal. But that's enough talking for right now. I just wanted to let y'all know the van did sell, and let's show the new project. Okay, so I promised you guys this one's not gonna sell as fast as the van did. I will keep this one. This one has been something I've been searching for quite a while. Not this exact body style, but the same era of car. So let's just get right to it. Let's skip to the B-roll, and then we'll go over it, and I'll start talking more about it. But cue that B-roll. Okay, well there you guys have it. Once again, this was just an intro video to introduce the new car, which is a '84 BMW 533i. So it's an E28, not an E30. But sorry, it's noisy. My garage is currently full of the Colt parts and car that's disassembled. So once again, working on the curb outside my apartment. Little ghetto, but believe me, you gotta do what you gotta do when you're trying to build a car, you know? But yeah, so back to the car. 84 533i. I feel like every time I want to film a video, there's a lot of commotion. But, so, if y'all didn't notice, I didn't open the hood, didn't do any under hood video film because I have already torn it apart. It currently had a blown head gasket. I'll dig into that more in the next video, and I will show you all the block and the head. Pretty bad shape. Just a quick heads up, it's pretty bad shape. But that's it. That's the reason I didn't show underneath that. But yeah, so this one will not be like the van. I will not sell it immediately after posting this video, and we will have a whole series on this, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be exciting. Big plans for this thing.
Colt's kind of put on hold, but not mad at it, because that's gonna take a lot of my money. So this one's kind of just to have as a cruiser. Still got the Subi, so I still need to post a video on that, which I will. I haven't done anything to it because it's been cold the last few days. I haven't really wanted to work on anything, but I did get the head off on this, so that's one video I definitely have already planned out and ready to post. Just wanted to post this one first. But that's a new car, guys. Just let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all are interested in seeing done to this thing. Like I said, there's a lot. I already have it. Not really listed out, but just jotted in my head that I already want done. Wheels and tires, probably lower it. Don't know if I want to go bag or static, but definitely getting lowered. It's gonna get slammed for sure. But the first things first, got to get it running and driving, and then we'll yeah, running and driving. But clean title, got the keys, so already a head start on some of the projects I've had. But yeah, but like I said, it's common for these to have blown head gaskets, so it's one thing if you're looking out for. If you're interested in buying one of these, that's a common problem. And if it's been neglected, like this one has, it could be pretty pricey. But if it's just recently failed, head gasket's cheap. Like, I'm not gonna go into it. That's gonna be in the next video. But yeah, so like I said, just comment below, see what y'all want to do, what y'all would like to see done to this thing. And just stay tuned for the series. I mean, go ahead, subscribe if you feel like it. It helps out, helps my career. Hopefully get on track trying to do YouTube full time. So that would be nice, because I really enjoyed working on these cars. I was a mechanic for 7 years, so I just recently quit. So yeah, I'd like to get back into just working on cars full time and making content for y'all. So just hit that like, subscribe, tell your friends. I mean, everything helps out the channels. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.